Dodge Power Ram 50 packs many features that make it a performer on or off the road. As you can see, the Power Ram 50 has a torsion bar independent front suspension. The torsion bar should be free from bends, cracks, or distortion. The stabilizer bar, contributing to steering control, deserves the same kind of inspection. A hefty lower control arm protects the front drive shaft during off-road use. The constant velocity joints are permanently lubricated at the factory, but it's always a good idea to inspect their protective boots for any leaks. Toe and other alignment procedures on this 4x4 are similar to those you've used on the D50 and Plymouth Arrow. Only some of the specifications are different, so consult your service manual supplement for the proper specifications. The freewheeling front hub is designed to minimize torque loss when its control handle is turned from the lock position to the free position. When the control handle is turned to lock, the follower moves along a slanted groove in the control handle, meshing the clutch with the inner hub splines. A tension spring separates the clutch from the inner hub when the control handle is turned back to the free position. Be sure to check the hypoid gear oil level in the transfer case at least every 30,000 miles to ensure the trouble-free operation of its quiet drive chain. The leaf spring rear suspension system has bias-mounted shock absorbers that are designed to restrain rear axle wind-up during high torque situations. In your service manual supplement, you'll find many recommended procedures that will help you to service the Dodge Power Ram 50. In this videotape, you have just seen how proper service procedures based on sound technical knowledge, performed by master technicians like you, will keep our mid-year models rolling.